this shit, bro. It's completely snowing out. My brakes are very touchy. There's probably about 2.5 inches of snow on the ground. And I'm not driving in the middle of it, so fuck it. Over the bridge we go.
Guys, we're back at the fairgrounds once again with good old Gothlin. So we're gonna see how he interacts with this big old fucking mud hole right here. As you can see, big old fucking mud.
All my rowdy country friends around here, we like to meet at the holler, build a fire, drink a beer. We slip out to the field, climb a tree, shoot a deer. I reminisce about these days.
Alright, we just got stuck. Kind of bad. Really bad. Went everywhere. Okay, check this out. Grass caught on fire. Pretty big ruts. Well, fun while it lasted. That's about all we got for you guys today. You've seen she got to drive the truck around, do some donuts, and a little burnout because we ended up finding out there was a cop over there, and we didn't see it till after we got done with all that stuff. So
He was stalking us.
He was stalking us badly. The sun is bright, but that'll be all for today. And
we'll catch you next time. Like, subscribe,
and
don't forget to comment.